30 years ago, the Polish economy was entering a new era of transformation. Public transport also needed change. In 1996, bus production begins in Bolechowo near Poznan. On March 22nd, the first low-floor vehicle leaves the factory hall, still under the Neoplan brand. It marks the symbolic beginning of the company. 3 years later, Solaris Urbino makes its debut, the company's own model, available in various lengths. Soon it is joined by Trolino, the first trolleybus, and at the same time, Solaris's first zero-emission vehicle. By 2003, the company has delivered 1,400 vehicles already operating in 11 European countries. Solaris rapidly expands its portfolio and develops new technologies. Trolleybuses, CNG buses, and the world's first mass-produced hybrid buses, together with growing order volumes, including major contracts for Berlin and Athens, strengthen the company's position in Europe. Another milestone comes in 2011 with the world premiere of the Solaris Urbino Electric, the brand's first fully electric city bus. The following years bring a new generation of the Urbino family, featuring a redesigned structure and award-winning design. The portfolio expands with a battery bus equipped with an additional hydrogen fuel cell, and the Urbino 12 Electric wins the prestigious Bus of the Year 2017 title. Joining the CAF Group in 2018 opens the door to global growth. In 2019, Solaris introduces its hydrogen bus, generating electricity directly on board the vehicle. Electric buses become the backbone of the company's portfolio, with new battery and hydrogen models joining the range. Solaris continues to expand its production facilities with new halls and the charging park. Today, Solaris operates globally, developing electric and hydrogen propulsion systems, its own battery technologies, and expanding into new market segments. The Bus of the Year title for the Urbino 18 Hydrogen and the brand's debut in North America confirm Solaris's global ambitions. After nearly 3 decades, Solaris continues to follow the same direction, creating zero-emission buses for cities around the world.